I'm Debi Peverill, and you're listening to the weekly tip from Panel's Financial Training Group. Today, I'm talking about how the province of Nova Scotia changed their harmonized sales tax rate from 15% to 14%, and they did that on April 1st. Turns out, it's not an April Fool's Day joke. So, what does this mean? Well, first of all, I was surprised, probably others were surprised too, that the province would be dropping a sales tax rate. I thought perhaps they needed the money for education, healthcare, and maybe to fix some potholes, but apparently they don't need the money. If you only sell to people in Nova Scotia, your product or service, then you just change your HST rate once from 15% down to 14%, and you're pretty much through figuring it out. However, if you sell to other places in Atlantic Canada, New Brunswick, Prince Edward Island, and Newfoundland did not, in fact, change their rate at the same time. So I've had a number of questions about this. The rate of HST hasn't changed from 15 to 14 everywhere. It has only changed in Nova Scotia. So you need to have an accounting system that recognizes the address of the people that you're shipping things to or that you're working for, so that the correct rate of tax can be charged. There is no change in other parts of Canada either. Ontario is still 13%. If you're billing and charging to Alberta, it's still 5%. This is just a change in Nova Scotia. However, maybe the rest of Atlantic Canada will take this lead and drop their rate to 14%, and we can return to having Atlantic Canada sales tax harmony.